If Gmail is showing error code 400, don't worry. This is usually a bad request issue, and in most cases, it's caused by corrupted browser cache, cookies, broken Gmail session data, browser extensions, or sometimes a temporary Google server problem. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix Gmail error code 400 step by step, so you can get back into your inbox as quickly as possible. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Now, let's get started. First, try the simplest fix. Refresh Gmail and open it again. Go to mail.google.com and see if the page loads properly after a quick refresh. Sometimes the error is temporary and a simple reload is enough to restore Gmail. If that doesn't work, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. This is one of the most common fixes for Gmail error 400 because old or corrupted data can stop Gmail from loading correctly. If you're using Chrome, open a new tab and type chrome://settings/clear browser data into the address bar. When the clear browsing data window opens, make sure you select cookies and other site data and cached images and files. You do not need to clear everything unless you want to. Once those options are selected, click Delete Data and wait for Chrome to finish. After that, go back to Gmail and sign in again to check whether the error is gone. If the issue is still there, the next recommended fix is to clear only Gmail site data. This is a safer option because it targets Gmail directly instead of wiping all browser data. Open Gmail in your browser, then look near the address bar and click the lock icon. From the menu, choose Site Settings, then select Clear Data. After that, reload Gmail and try opening your inbox again. This step is especially useful if Gmail is stuck because of a broken login session or stored site data that is no longer valid. If Gmail still shows error code 400 after that, the next thing to check is your browser extensions. Sometimes extensions can interfere with Google sign-in or Gmail loading properly. Try disabling ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or any extension that changes how websites load. Then refresh Gmail again. If Gmail works after disabling an extension, you've found the cause. You can then re-enable your extensions one by one to see which one is creating the problem. Another thing to keep in mind is that Google sometimes has temporary server-side issues. So if none of the fixes worked right away, wait a few minutes and try Gmail again later. In many cases, the problem resolves itself once the session resets or Google services stabilize. If you're still getting the error, try signing out of your Google account and signing back in, or test Gmail in an incognito window to rule out browser session problems. These extra steps can help if the issue is tied to a damaged login session or saved browser state. The main thing to remember is that Gmail error code 400 is usually not a permanent problem. It almost always comes down to browser data, session issues, or a temporary glitch, and the fixes in this video should solve it for most users. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick fixes and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.